bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like, damn, that's a cold ass honky. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get stopping it, watching it, about to go and get some compliments, passing up on I'ma take your grandpa style, I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real, ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Your Lord jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found, dig it. I can take some pro wings, make them cool, sell them, some heads of your life. Oh, he got the Velcro.
Some bags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm running, looking for a comer. This is fucking awesome.
She know about rocking the wolf on your noggin. She knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin. I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's out. So I make a